up, YouTube? It's your girl Ebony Sheree, and we are back with an unboxing. I told you I was gonna do unboxing with my Ivy Storehouse that I got. See. This was July, right? I'm assuming. Yes, July. So we're gonna open this up. We ain't gonna do no pretense, pretext, pre-talking. We just gonna open. I see lots of unboxings. Folks be talking and talking and talking. I'm just like, open the box. Just open it. I told y'all it's from Ivy Storehouse. So at least you know that much. I briefly got into what that was the last video when I was drunkenly talking to y'all. I'm looking out my window here. So, ooh. Can we see? In she gorgeous. She is. So we're gonna open this up. We're gonna do this on camera. See if y'all can see it yet. So this is how it looks when it's opened up. See, you got the little nice little wrapping around everything. You got your information. I'll leave this here in case y'all want to read that. Okay, we're gonna get into this. I try so hard to just open it without tearing the tape too much, but then my whole inner Christmas me comes out and I'm just like, So what have we got? We got some inserts right here, and this is telling you summertime fine, huh? That's the theme. So what's in the box? It says we've got an AKA V-neck knit blouse, a 20 pearl knit tank blouse, and one set of AKA beaded bracelets. So these are the bracelets here. I'm gonna open these up. Ooh, it's two. That's nice. See? Can you see that there? That's pretty. I'm always, Rome's always asking me, why don't you wear some of your AKA jewelry? And truth be told, I'll put them in my little different keepsake boxes, but then I forget that they are there. So I won't wear them. So this must be the knit blouse, was it? Tank knit blouse. Well, this is how it came packaged. It was packaged in this right here. Try to get the glare off you. So I'm gonna open this. Oh, that's cute. Little knit shirt. Little tank top. Got my emblem there. That's cool. I'm not trying none of this on for y'all. So we both ought to be sure on that. I will try this on at a later date. So that's that. Let me put this box on the floor. And last, we got the knit sweater or blouse, I think it says. Open this up. So, put this on the floor. This is the knit blouse here. Now, this may look huge. This may look big. You can adjust your sizing with them. Right now, I have large as my setting for like my t-shirts or sweaters and stuff like that, or jackets, because I always bank on stuff shrinking. So I don't want to order a medium and then it shrink down to a medium and then I'm all, this ain't gonna work. That's why I get a large and I'll get me a medium by the end of it. So that was my unboxing. Thank you so much, Ivy Storehouse. I'm thanking you for something that I paid for, but that's all right because I love it regardless. Oh, I told you I was gonna show you my boxes of my I did tell you that I was going to show you the brushes that I got. This was the package for the brushes. And this was May. This was the May box. So when I saw this little bag, I was like, this ain't the normal size shindig that we getting into. So you open that up, and then you have the pink wrapping, like we saw before. Open that up, and this month's theme was Oh So Pretty. Can you see that? Oh, so pretty. So, what's in the box? 20 Pearls makeup bag organizer, 20 Pearls toiletry bag, 1 Oh So Pretty makeup brush set, and 1 Oh So Pretty top. So, let's get into this bag though, y'all. Yo! This is gorgeous. And I was sitting there, I saved stuff until I absolutely have to use it. Let me tell you how I bought a pink and green Juicy Couture bag years and years and years and years ago. And I knew in my heart that I was destined and that I was going to just be patient, practice all kind of patience and perseverance on the fact that one day I would be an AKA and I would wear it. So your girl chose purposely not to wear that purse until I became AKA. And the Lord said, won't he do it? Because he did it. The Lord said, you know what? Pray on this and it shall be done. So inside this box, it opens this way. And I pulled out this, which is, I'm assuming, the toiletry bag, which kind of looks like a little duffel bag. Actually, let me straighten it out. Like that. Nice. Very nice. Very nice. Then, also inside here, we have this, which I'm assuming holds the brushes. Now we know your girl does makeup, so we're gonna have to review these and see what Ivy Storehouse is working with. See if they partnered up with somebody who know how to make brushes. I can tell already that they're all vegan, you know, non-animal hair brushes, which I don't think anyone makes animal hair brushes anymore. So they're all vegan, cruelty-free brushes. So, and if you look at it, you pull out one, and on the handle it says pretty since 1908. So I'll let you see that. That's fly. So maybe my next video will be a first impressions and demo with these brushes. Because I got enough brushes, but you can always use more brushes. So I am very pleased and happy and thankful about that, because I didn't expect them to get on the makeup front. That's pretty dope. So this little makeup case has like little dividers, which is similar to my larger one that I have beside me on the floor. So you can adjust it and put it different ways and things like that. Oh, let me show you. Let me show you. It's kind of hard holding it. There you go. So you can make different kind of compartments and stuff like that. And that's cool. So if I traveled, I would use this. So maybe next time we go up to Jersey, I'm gonna pack my pretty in here. So that's that. And we got an Oh So Pretty t-shirt. Try and get behind it so you can see it. so pretty since 1908. Oh yeah. So, thank you for joining me in my now what is a junky pile of unboxed items. Thank you for joining me, for seeing all these new and improved pink and green lovely items that I got from Ivy Storehouse. If you need to learn more about Ivy Storehouse, I will link their website below and you can get all the great details. And if you are a soror, you too can be blessed with this too. And we can be, you know, boiling out together, okay? Thank you for watching. Bye.